In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Turo account. By the end, you'll be ready to create your profile and make your first booking with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Turo. This ensures you land on the platform even if you don't remember the exact web address. When the results load, take a moment to identify the correct link. Look for the official Turo site, check that the URL includes the Turo domain, and confirm you see a secure padlock icon in the address bar. It's also a good idea to scroll past any sponsored ads at the top so you're clicking the genuine result. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the top right corner and locate the user icon. Hover over it to reveal the account options, then click Sign Up. If you're on mobile, the same option will typically be in the menu or profile section. This takes you to the account creation screen. Here, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up with Apple, with Google, or by using an email address. If you use Apple or Google, you'll move through a quick authorization process, which can save time and minimize the number of passwords you manage. If you prefer email, enter a valid address and create a strong password that you don't use elsewhere. You may be prompted to confirm basic information like your name and date of birth, and you might be asked to verify your email for security. Take a moment to review any on-screen prompts carefully so you don't miss required fields. Before finishing, you'll see the terms and conditions. Read through them and accept to proceed. This step is important because it outlines how bookings, payments, and cancellations work. After accepting, you're ready to start exploring cars and booking. On the home page, set where you'd like to pick up a vehicle, then choose your from and until dates and times. Accurate times help show availability and pricing that match your schedule. If your plans are flexible, try adjusting the dates by an hour or a day to see more options. When the search results appear, you can refine later with filters like vehicle type or transmission, but the key is to begin with the correct location and trip window. That's it. With the browser open, the correct site selected, your account created, terms accepted, and your trip details entered, you're fully set up and ready to book on Turo.